now you went from 17, 18, and now you're 20.
I know. See, he was talking to me. I told him they got 18. For real, for real.
So now you're 20. So what's your real date of birth then?
Y'all racist and y'all weird as oh, Jesus, like, this shit not even funny. You literally just threw me on the table. Say to me why the camera back. The hell, I wasn't resisting from you. Stop lying. And you know that you racist as oh, God. Because I don't want to ride with him. This man racist. That's why he's steady helping you walk with him. He don't even need to be catching.
He does have to.
No, he does not.
He does.
He doesn't.
At a theme park in Orlando, a woman is caught on camera taking an $82 backpack, routine shoplifting until the officer reaches for her phone without a warrant. At that moment, who actually broke the law?
Hey, how old are you? Put the phone down. Where's your ID?
I don't have ID.
Well, how did you get here? If you're from Alabama, you don't have ID.
I ain't come up here with ID. I don't have ID.
Put the phone down.
I'm trying to call somebody.
Listen, I'm the police, all right?
No, my
Okay, this is police
Okay,
department.
no,
So now
no.
you're done dealing with them because they don't want to deal with you because you keep giving them a runaround stories.
No, because
so
they keep
how
trying to
old
make
are
me
you
get-
really?
They trying to make me get on my money, and that's not going to happen.
Listen, first of all, you're already seen on camera taking money.
Yeah, and I gave it back.
Okay?
No,
So-
she trying to say she had
and
more than what she had, and she didn't.
So the other thing is, I need to know who you really are.
My name is Devondra. You don't see my
And
name?
how old are you? And I need the evidence. What's in there? You have a wallet in there? You got something in there?
No, I don't have nothing up in here. That means they just checked
take
me.
it off.
What's the point? This is my purse.
Okay, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna wind up going to jail in 2 seconds.
Okay, but this is
Okay.
my purse. Though.
I know. Either way, I'm gonna get your purse because
Yeah,
you're
but
gonna
they
wind up
just
going to
checked
jail.
it. They
so
just checked it.
put it on here.
I'll put it on the phone.
Stay in traffic. You need to stay 10 until Charlie comes back.
You can check my purse.
Or I actually need you to be 51 over to Forbidden Journey.
I don't know how they do it in Alabama,
They just checked my purse.
but this is Florida, and I need your ID.
They just checked my purse.
Okay, well they're not the police.
26 is doing from beyond 14.
How old are you really? How old are you really? How old are you really?
Can I get my purse?
How old are you really?
I just said 20. Can I get my purse?
What's your DL number?
My who?
Your driver license
I don't
number.
have-
What is the number?
I
Do you
don't
know
have it. I've
Okay.
never had one.
You never had when you're
No,
20 years old
I
out of
swear to God,
Alabama.
I
You never
never
had
had
one. You
one.
never had an ID at Alabama.
No, I never had it. Never.
What's your social? Have you been arrested in Alabama?
No, never.
You've never been arrested in Alabama.
Never. You can look up my stuff if you want.
So now you went from 17, 18, and now you're 20.
I know. See, he was talking too much. I told him I was 18. For real, for real.
So now you're 20. So what's your real date of birth then?
That's the right birth.
What is it?
That's the right one. March 4th. That's my date.
March 4th what?
2-4. That's my word.
See, you just changed your thing like 20 times. March 4th, 20...
Everything else is correct.
What's your first name?
Devondra.
I can't read that. Spell it.
That's how you spell it.
I know, I
Spell it.
cannot read that. And your last name is what? What's the word? Why has it got two last names here then?
You do not see two last names.
Right here.
That is my first name and my last name.
Well, it's asked for your last
you
name.
see,
That's why.
If we wrote it again.
You have no middle name? Middle L?
Yeah.
Under Florida Statute Section 812.014, theft is complete the moment a person knowingly conceals merchandise with intent to deprive. Security camera footage established probable cause before police arrived. Detention was legally grounded from first contact.
Put the phone down. Put the phone down. Hang up the phone, put the phone down.
Why you got my
Stand up.
phone out on my phone?
Stand up. Put your hands behind your back.
Bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, I'm keeping my phone. I swear, and I'm going to record.
Florida has no codified stop and identify statute. However, once probable cause for theft exists, refusal to identify becomes obstruction. More critically, under Florida Statute Section 901.36, providing false identification during a lawful detention is a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year imprisonment. The subject provided 3 different ages and multiple conflicting dates of birth. Each inconsistency is independent criminal exposure. Juvenile status determines charging procedure, jurisdiction, and detention rights. The officer cannot proceed without confirmed identity. The repeated questioning was not harassment, it was a legal prerequisite. This charge was ultimately not filed, but that reflects prosecutorial discretion, not legal immunity.
Do not move.
What the hell? I'm not even doing nothing.
I put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God! Get off! Stop! Get off! No! Oh God! No! No! Get off! No! Do not play my phone! I need this! Get off! Be like this. Oh, get my phone! Bro, give me my phone. I'm not even playing. Like, you know you do. You know you wrong because you take my phone. Oh God! Like, give me my phone.
Just stop. You're making it worse. You're making it worse. Stop.
Get my phone. Yes, I do. Guys, y'all know y'all. This is against the law.
He's got a camera. There's a camera.
Okay, and I'm sitting there. I'm gonna stand there and watch it. Y'all just told me against the table and everything.
Stop and relax.
Oh God. Oh, I'm like away. Call somebody. Oh God, I'm not playing. I can't wait till I go through him. I swear to God. Oh God, this man never just threw me on the table. Y'all are men. Y'all let him. Oh God, y'all should say let him. Y'all should feel let him fucking man. Oh God, y'all this man threw me on the table. And you talking about respect. And you talking about your people. You let this man say threw me on the table. Ain't no way there. First of all, that's against the law. You know they supposed to be touching me. They supposed to have a female in.
No, that's not it.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Stop.
Bro, you just threw me. You don't even supposed to be handling me like this. For when?
Let's get 371 quarters.
Oh God, I cannot wait for my uncle to get down.
Can I get a 45?
How my uncle do that? You find everything else? How do? Oh God, I'm not even playing no more at this point. That's why y'all want to right here like this bitch with me. Oh God.
Stop it.
Man, can you please get off of me?
No.
You just threw me on the table. You know you wrong as fuck. You know that. I swear to God you do, bro. Oh God, you know
The security
wrong
office?
with you just threw me on that table like that. Oh God. My baby, like you really knew that was up. Oh God, you ain't even had to throw me like that. And you knew that. Oh God, you did. That shit lame, bro. Oh God, you not have to throw me like that. The world, you literally just sat right here and threw me and I wasn't even doing nothing to you. You wanted to do that the whole time.
You're resisting.
I wasn't resisting. Tell her right to tell her
obviously you don't want to resist. Obviously
That's
you
why
don't
I
want
didn't want to be
resisting.
calling nobody down here with me. Oh God, y'all racist and y'all weird as oh Jesus, like this shit not even funny. You literally just threw me on the table. Said to rewind the cameras back. The hell, I wasn't resisting from you. Stop lying. And you know that you racist as on God you is. That's why you doing it. The you weird. It's oh God. You just sat up there and threw me on the table for what? What I'm gonna do to you? I'm a whole female. Like you wow.
Yes, sir. He's just waiting for us.
Can you please stop? You hurt my shoulder. Can you please stop? You are hurting my shoulder.
We have OPD on hands off.
Can you please stop? You are hurting my shoulder. My shoulder. My shoulder.
All right, well.
Dang, bro. God. Give my phone.
Please calm her down. He's unable to reach his radio. She's trying to get up.
Can you please stop?
Stop.
Bro, I swear to God. This bitch about to break my fucking arm. Stop.
Stop.
Damn, you about to break my arm. What
You're
the
making
fuck?
it worse. Stop it.
Man, tell that man to get out of me, bro. Oh, God.
This is not how this
You're
works.
making it worse. Just stop and relax. Please.
Man, y'all didn't even want to to my phone.
You're gonna hurt yourself. You're
No,
gonna hurt
he gonna
yourself.
hurt me and never sue his ass. That's what I wanted to do while you hitting me like that. You know you ain't even got to do all that. My whole female ain't no you act like you got to do that. You want to do that. They ain't no because he wrong. No.
Stop.
That man just threw me all type of places. I'm not playing, bro. No. Dang.
Relax. Relax.
Bro, can you give me my shoe?
Take the
And
phone
can you
out of
please
here.
get off of me? Why is you throwing my shoe out the door? What is wrong with y'all? What the f? Like, this shit is weird as hell.
Well, stop
That's
moving
why I don't
around
want
and
to
just
call
sit here.
nobody down here. That's why. No, because you wrong and you could have been told me in my face. Like, you wild. No, get out my face. Like, I'm not even playing no more at this point. Move out my face. The hell, that man just throw me off. Man. And what you just put me in handcuffs for?
I told you, you're under arrest.
Now I'm under arrest. Be for real.
First one.
Hey, let's get put her in my car.
This man, is you
Stand up.
Can I get my shoe, please? Please,
We'll get your
because this man just threw me on the table and he know that.
You need to walk or you're going to get another charge.
Okay, can I please put my shoe on
We're
though?
going to get it for you, but you need to go to your car right now.
Can you get my purse and stuff too? Why is the man still holding me? Can't you give
Because
me?
he's in charge of you right now.
You need to let me the go. Cause I don't want to ride with him. This man is racist. That's why he's steady helping you walk with me. He don't even need to be touching me.
He does have to.
No, he does not.
He does.
He doesn't. And can I please get my shoes? Like, y'all literally let me walk outside without my shoe, man. Come on, man. Like, this is not even cause for real. Like, you let me walk past my shoe. Literally, I could have put my shoe on when we outside. Come on
As
now.
soon as you get in the car, we're going to get it. Nothing?
Man, stop touching me.
Stop.
Touching me, bro.
Shit off.
Cause you just already checked me.
I didn't check
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Stop lying.
car.
You just checked me.
Always over stupid misdemeanor charges. The biggest pain in the ass.
Excuse me, I just I know I'm not tripping. Tell me, I just it don't know you're supposed to be going through my stuff. Why is he in my phone?
He has to go through your stuff.
For what? They just went through my stuff. Man, weird as on God is, and I'm not tripping at all. I'm not even from here. He just went through
Where
my
you from?
stuff. Selma, he just went through my stuff.
Tampa?
No, Selma.
Selma where?
Alabama, I'm not from here.
Did you get me?
Can you step out from me, please?
Can you get my stuff from him, please?
Turn around. We're gonna go ahead and face the 911.
Can you get my stuff from him, please?
1 second. Let me just go ahead and check it. No, turn.
Keep going through my stuff.
All right,
and I
separate
knew
your
he
feet.
supposed to had me up
Ma'am,
going through my
hey,
purse.
I know you're going through it. Just listen to me, okay? Separate your feet for me.
Mm-hmm.
All right, is there anything you that might stick or poke me? All right.
He going through my stuff. I knew he ain't supposed to be going through my stuff because you supposed to be came and check me, right? Right? Okay.
Hold on, stay right here.
Okay.
Stay right here.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
I'm
wanna
here to
talk-
check you.
Yes, and I want to talk to somebody too because he ain't supposed to be and check me. He was checking me and everything. And he ain't supposed to be, and I told him that. He said, yes, he did.
So they can if there's not a female available, okay? And it was last minute that I was available.
No, they can't. That's against the law.
Stay
That's
right here.
against the law. I mean, they supposed to wait till a female come. They do not supposed to check me. I know that for a fact. And I'm gonna make sure I tell somebody at their own department because he ain't supposed to be checking me or my
I'm gonna
stuff.
just make sure there's nothing else under here, okay? Okay, and you don't have anything here? All right, just gotta check.
You straight?
All right,
But he ain't supposed to be checking me. That's all I'm saying.
and this is a wig, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, is there anything in here?
No.
All right, you're good.
And can you do some of these, please?
That's up to him. I'm sorry about that.
Lean forward. Lean forward to the side.
A little more so he can help you with your cuffs, okay?
To the side, otherwise I can't get to him.
No statute grants an unconditional right to use a phone during an active lawful detention. Continued refusal after a lawful order combined with unresolved identity provided independent grounds to escalate to formal arrest under Florida Statute Section 843.02. Under Graham v. Connor, 1,989 forces evaluated by objective reasonableness at the moment of decision, not hindsight. FDLE standards require force proportionate to resistance encountered. The subject was resisting a confirmed misdemeanor arrest with no weapon present. The manner of physical contact sits at the upper boundary of proportional response for this offense level. The most significant Fourth Amendment issue: an officer handled the subject's cell phone without a warrant. Riley versus California, 2014, the Supreme Court held unanimously that the search incident to arrest exception does not extend to digital devices. A warrant is required absent exigent circumstances. Any evidence obtained would be subject to suppression under the exclusionary rule. Riley was decided 11 years before this incident. Qualified immunity does not apply to clearly established constitutional rules. FDLE policy requires same-sex search when a same-sex officer is reasonably available. The male officer's prior handling of the subject's person is a procedural violation cognizable, but not independently criminal. No contest plea entered on petty theft and resisting without violence. Fine and court costs exceeding $2,000. The phone search, had it been challenged via suppression motion, could have materially affected the evidentiary posture. It was not litigated, the plea resolved it. The arresting officer receives a C+. The initial detention and arrest were legally grounded. Probable cause was established on camera before any command was issued. That foundation is sound. However, 3 decisions undermine the grade. Accessing the subject's phone without a warrant is a direct violation of Riley versus California, a clearly established constitutional rule. The physical takedown during a misdemeanor arrest, with no weapon present, exceeded the minimum proportional force required under FDLE standards. And conducting a physical search of a female subject without awaiting a same-sex officer breached agency protocol, the arrest was lawful. The conduct surrounding it was not. The subject receives a D+. The theft was captured on camera. The encounter was not a wrongful detention. Every decision she made after that initial act compounded her legal exposure. Providing 3 different ages and conflicting dates of birth constituted independent criminal conduct under Florida Statute Section 901.36. Physical resistance during handcuffing produced the resisting charge that doubled her financial penalty. Her arguments regarding the phone warrant, same-sex search, and force proportionality carry legal merit, but those claims belong in a courtroom, not in the moment of arrest. Raising valid legal arguments through physical resistance converts a defense into an additional offense. 3 legal takeaways. First, your phone is constitutionally protected. Riley versus California is settled law. Demand a warrant before any officer accesses it. Second, false identification is a separate criminal offense. Silence is always safer than a false name. Third, if rights are violated during arrest, the remedy is a suppression motion or civil claim, not resistance in the moment. Resistance adds charges. Process removes them.